Street was built in 1901 to be a flagstone building. That in and of itself, though, is very limiting as far as reutilization of that building for our needs. There are some purposes that we can use that building going forward with some of the smaller, I call it ancillary equipment, meaning that it's equipment that doesn't get used every day. Water rescue stuff, woods rescue stuff, brush fire stuff that's smaller in size and, like I say, of more limited use than daily use. So we will be able to utilize that portion of the building. But that you can even see it. The hayloft is still there. That building was designed for horse-drawn equipment, as was this one. East Milton is actually the newest of the stations, but some of the studies that had come back point to that its need is probably more critical than these two buildings. It was built on a small parcel of land, and it really looks that it was just thrown together to get something up and operational there. It's an exceptionally poor design, even for its time. The study that we looked at when we first went to bring this project forward was done in 1960, and one of the opening quotes in that study was that all three of these buildings were obsolete. And it
in 1960?
The building at the time was only 10 years old, but that it was very poorly thought out, and it really was. It served its purpose, but it was never a good building. So of all of them, it would be good to have that one gone. Operationally, it's a matter of just maintaining your equipment better. We don't have enough room. This should be nothing on your apparatus bays but the apparatus. You're looking at firefighters' gear being right alongside it. There's literally less than 2 feet between the side of the engine and the gear lock. The contaminants that all are being picked up in the air will make a difference. Just proper layout, proper storage. These new buildings would be set up similar to, say, a hazardous materials response, where your incident is called the hot zone, and then there's a crossover area called the warm zone, where you're out of danger, but you're bringing contaminants from the scene out, and then the cold zone is where we're all happy and healthy. And these stations are constructed that way going forward. The hot zone would be the apparatus bay, and then the warm zone is the space just off of that, where all the gear is stored. During my time, we used to bring our boots up and put them right bedside, so that you rolled out and got your gear on. Firefighters' gear does not cross over into the cold portion of the building anymore. So there's just so many reasons, to move on.